Is your external component the Libgsm.dll not found? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I'm here to help you re-establish your software links. Before starting the detailed libgsm fix, check the description for a professional tool to help align your library paths. This DLL file is a legacy speech compression library based on the European GSM standard. It provides low bitrate audio encoding for telephony and communication software, maintained for backward compatibility on PC. Now that you're up to speed on the file's role, let's begin the repair process. Because the libgsm.dll is required by your software throwing the error to initialize correctly, a standard repair is needed. Reinstalling the official version of your software throwing the error ensures all required application DLLs are restored to their proper paths. Persistence of this error after a clean reinstall suggests that the issue may reside within the current user session's initialization. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including the libgsm, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. To protect your system architecture, I have a few recommendations regarding file authenticity. Replacing the libgsm without a proper engineering protocol can lead to DLL hell, where multiple versions of the file conflict and paralyze your OS. To support your system's overall health without the complexity of manual directory management, a maintenance utility is a solid option. For users seeking improved system clarity, the diagnostic tool in the description references the libgsm environment. Thank you for trusting us with your system repair today. For more configuration tips and the libgsm error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.